former President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta has attended, is one of the people who have attended the wedding in Transmara. That is Charlene Ruto's wedding. That is William Samoei Ruto's first daughter in Narok County, Transmara. Those are fake news. Those are fake news. Government bloggers are busy posting pictures and also photos online showing that President Uhuru Kenyatta was among the leaders and dignitaries who attended a wedding that happened in Transmara, Narok County. But remember, the former President Uhuru Kenyatta and President William Samoei Ruto are living in the same neighborhood, actually in Transmara, Narok County. But also remember, Uhuru moved into his private hideaway at Orolmongi, that is farm, in October 2022, just shortly after he left office. A year later, in 2023, when Ruto became president, he permanently relocated from Sugoi into Intona Farm, that is in Kilgoris. Remember, still is in Narok County. A year later, in 2023, when the president moved in, now today, the two are living in the same ward. Their MCA is one. Their MCA is just one. President Uhuru Kenyatta's MCA and Ruto's MCA is just one person. One village. And their farm are just adjacent. Actually, fence tu ndio watenganisha. But the setup is different. Ruto converted his 900 acres of land into Antona Farm, into a residency and large-scale farming enterprise. Kumbuka kwamba hapo ndio amejenga nyumba, hapo ndio wageni wanakuja. Na yeye alibadilisha hiyo hekari 9,000 ama 900 kuwa mahali pa makazi yake rasmi na vile vile ukulima kidogo kidogo. Lakini pia the former President Uhuru Kenyatta, on the other hand, anaran Orolmongi as both a private residency, amejenga huko, anakaa huko, and a tourist lodge under jina ambalo ameita ile tourist lodge ni Heritage East Africa Safaris, ambayo watu wanakuja pale wengi sana. But ironically, despite being fence mates away, despite being karibu majirani, the two have never paid each other a visit. That is the most interesting part, kwamba hata kama wao ni marafiki, hata kama wao wamekuwa marais, hata kama wao ni majirani, fence tu ndio umewatenganisha. Hakuna mwingine ameitembelea mwingine. And by the way, not even when the President Ruto hosted former Prime Minister Raila Odinga at his Kilgoris home, Uhuru Kenyatta was just around, just the fence away, but he did not invite him. But the first daughter, Charlene Ruto, who was hosting today her Koito check today at their Kilgoris home, Ruto has invited his former boss, Uhuru Kenyatta, but we are not sure about it. However, Uhuru was very busy. Actually, the reports indicate that the former president, is in Ethiopia. So those who are spreading rumors online that the former president is among those people who attended the wedding, they are spreading rumors. And those rumors aren't that good. So please, the president did not attend any wedding today. The former president did not attend any wedding today. Musidanganywe, because I've seen Hassan Kashuji saying that Uhuru Kenyatta attends Charlene Ruto's pre-wedding ceremony. Former President Uhuru Kenyatta is among the high-profile guests attending the pre-wedding ceremony of President William Ruto's first daughter, Charlene Ruto, in Kilgoris, Narok County. That is a lie. That is a very blunt lie. The former president, actually, he is in Ethiopia. I've seen many people saying it. I've seen Thome saying former President Uhuru Kenyatta has arrived in Kilgoris ahead of President William Ruto's first daughter, Charlene Ruto's pre-wedding ceremony, scheduled to be on August 8th. Those are stories za japa. Msidanganywe. The president has not been there, and the former president was not among those people who were invited. The former president is in Ethiopia. Kindly make sure you subscribe. Among the people who attended the wedding was the CSS, those who were ally to President William Samoei Ruto. Among them was Ali Hassan Joe, the mining CS from Mombasa. We have Sports CS was among the people who attended. We have Kipchumba Murkomen, CS Interior was among those people who attended. And also all CSs, Alice Wahome and the rest. Members of Parliament led by Kipchumba Oscar Sudi was among them. And also remember Senators, Karen Nyamu were among those people who attended. We had the governors who attended, Mdomi Njuki, among other many governors who attended the wedding in Narok County.